What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are going to a big bang car meet, but before anything, let me show you guys the progress on the bumper. We ended up switching the grill back to the OEM one, and got some quick release buttons on it. I had to replace it again because it ended up breaking, but the only thing left on it is the dent on the hood. But I mean, other than that, we got it looking back. We got the wheels looking shiny. Okay, we got a little bro in the seat. Another Mustang over there. It looks like it's gonna be a nice car meet. Oh god, there's already cops. No way. Everybody's getting kicked out, it looks like. Alright guys, so this one got shut down pretty quick. They uploaded a new location. Hopefully that one doesn't get burned out that quick. Alright guys, literally everybody's relocating. I don't know if they're gonna be over there, but I mean the bumper's still holding on. It's not that bad. I always tend to park away from everybody, that way in case something happens I just get the fuck out of here. But pony looking good. I'm not gonna lie, it's a small parking lot, so we're about to see what's up.
I was pointing at this.
You like Supras? Bro spotted Supra over there, and right away he wants to go see it. They're glow yellow. Not gonna lie, I'm still indecisive whether I want to trade my car for one of them or not, but it looks mint. Next was, I don't know what it has, but just trying to run it over there. Guys, look at that. Nice thing over there.
What is that color?
We have all these cars over here, but you know that we actually came to see this car right here. So, bro, these Cadillacs look so clean. Watch out, watch out. Bro, almost getting hit by cars and shit. Come on now. Guys, I see this truck everywhere we go.
You think get camera or not?
Guys, this thing is looking mint. My boy got the purple on the Honda. Out over there. I don't know, man. I feel like if I was to have one, I'll drive the shit out of it. Thing's so clean. That shit's sick. What's this? What's this? We got the Hemi over here real quick. This color is nice. The new Mustangs have these color as well too, boys. It's looking clean. Oh no, don't stop, bro.
You should tell your vlog how shitty meats are nowadays.
Oh man, tell me about it, bro. These type of cars, but you guys know we came to see the Honda Odyssey. No way. Ain't no way. Guys, look at that thing. We got another pony over here. What kind of wheels are those? Oh. Gen 2 Coyote? Was it a 5.0? Oh no, oh no, bro, you're making us look bad. Guys, this thing's looking so clean. Oh my god. Guys, look at that. Dang, man. Are those TEs? Oh, it's the Mach 1. Actually, we seen this one at the last meet. We got the Merrill. What'd that thing do? GTO. I remember the first time I raced one of these, I didn't even know what it was until they put me on. Hey, don't sleep on these, man. These are low-key fire. We got the Mopar. I'm not gonna lie, this is like one of the first ones that I've seen without the rainbow lights on it. This looks nice. My boy got the tire in the back as well. This is looking nice. We gotta upgrade. We'll probably get a white one though. In the air I watch. I just know it. So you can't even see the guy there. You see the top of their head. That's crazy. Don't make us look bad. We got the big ass wing. It has a Roush sticker, so we gotta go check that out. Cha 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 cha. It's a girl driving too, man. Guys, this Mach 1 is so insane. The wheels on this thing, oh god. This thing's looking mint. I think the last one I saw was a blue one, but this is a red one. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like red looks better though. Look at the side skirts. God damn, man. Bro, pull up with the Beamer. Alright, so the cars that I wanted to see are actually in the other side. What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh, it's the Pony. We'll see it right now. Oh, and the Integra. Hey! I'm gonna say it again, this blue just looks so good in any car, man. I don't care if it's a Camaro or a Mustang, it's just so good. Makes it look so clean too. Oh bro, look at the tire on this thing. God damn. Like this is the type of fitment I like, I'm not gonna lie. Bro got the big old tire and it's nice and tucked. Quema cut, no quema, sí quema. Guys, these things are so fun to drive. STI. Alright, my boy, I see you. This is looking clean. Guys, look at my Mustang with the shiny ass wheels. Here's the Beamer that aired out. I got another Mopar. God damn, guys. What is the Mustang you were talking about? I think I've seen this Mustang before. I think a girl drives it. Might be mistaken though.
It looks like the Golden Garage.
I don't know where I've seen this before. Guys, check out the S2K that just rolled up. Bro got the whole wrap on it. When I got here, I thought this was... This thing is crazy. Second Miata I've seen today. I don't know, guys. I'm tempted. I am tempted. I think bro gutted the shed of the Miata. Oh yeah, he did. Bro got a whole ass hydro brake in there. What? You know I had to show off to the S2K. Oh man, look at those wheels, bro. Bro, wide body this thing? That's insane.
You're doing burnout.
This thing's just fucking nice. Who's doing a burnout? Bro got the big old wing. got starts already.
Another one? Whoa, this nigga back there, that bike can hit the wall right now. Hey, look, that bike can hit the wall.
And they're gonna probably pull someone over. More than one cop. I mean, cops came all late. Everybody's leaving already. And cop over there. Everybody's leaving already. We're about to dip because I do not want to get pulled over. Alright guys, so basically that's gonna be all for today. I'm not gonna lie, it was a good meet overall. It was a W night. We didn't get pulled over, no tickets. But other than that, hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, do all those things. Till next time.